I'm cooking for the whole village tonight.
That's wonderful, my love.
It will bring everyone together.
You always think of others.
For our village, I will prepare a massive nali mutton biryani. It will bring joy to everyone. Let us begin the preparations.
Namaste bhaiya, I need fresh nali mutton for the family.
Namaste ji, this one is very fresh.
It looks perfect. Please cut it carefully.
Of course, here you are. Enjoy.
It smells wonderful, my dear.
Thank you. Let's add the spices.
Perfect. In they go.
It's cooking beautifully.
Our best yet.
The fire is steady now.
It smells wonderful, my love.
Let me add a little more wood.
Perfect. Our teamwork makes it special.
First, a layer of fresh coriander. Now, mint for freshness. Crispy fried onions for crunch. And finally, saffron milk.
Wow, look at that biryani! It's so big! Let's go! I smell the spices, yum! Race you there! We made it so cool!
The biryani smells wonderful today. Yes, it will be ready soon.
It's a feast for the whole village.
I can't wait to eat!
We are all together.
Subscribe to our channel.
And join us for biryani.
We have delicious food.
Click subscribe and join us.
Don't miss out.